Today we talk about how can you select categories on your app. We go to figure out the selection on how you can do that on your app to choose categories on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here. You come here to browse by category here. So then here can you find here a lot of categories. Here can you select it in this list here. If you want to select music for festivals here, or comedy here, or so countries or sports, can you select it on concerts here. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to show for you in this list here. So here can you find all categories you have. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.